When this guy decided to taste his cat's food for the first time, he never expected it to taste like that.
Is it just me, or does cat food look bomb? Especially these fancy feast pink ones, they look bomb. Like every time I give this to my cat, I want to try it. Like it looks bomb.
But the moment he took a bite, something completely unexpected happened. But first, if your father is a bad person, you can skip this video. But if your father is a very good person, press like and hit subscribe and leave a heart emoji for dad.
It's not bomb. It's not